Oh, oh boy. My van won't start. Hey everyone. How you doing? It's me, Timothy. Yeah, my van won't start. I got a van problem now. Thank God it happened here at the house instead of somewhere else. Probably it's the battery. Hope not, but oh well. If it is, gonna have to have a new battery. Things happen like that when you have a vehicle. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Very crazy. So how's everyone doing out there on this wonderful Thursday? I hope your Thursday has been a good one so far for ya. Hey, how's the weather for you out there on this Thursday? Ours, if you could tell, it is a cloudy one here in Michigan today. Yeah, cloudy one. Yeah, we had some rain and thunder that rolled through our area last night, but nothing big, nothing severe. But yeah, had some rain and thunder, and that subsided, and we're supposed to have some rain sometime today, but don't know when. But it's not doing nothing now. They're not doing a cotton picking thing now, but oh well. It could be beautiful for me. I don't care. Yeah, I got somebody that's going to be coming over after they get out of work and see if it's the battery. See if it's the battery in the van. But until then, gotta wait. Gotta wait. So what do y'all got planned to do on this Thursday? Any wild and crazy plans for any of you? If you got any plans, enjoy them. Not much for us today. Had to get up early and take my son to work before 4 o'clock and drop him off. And I came home and chilled and relaxed and watched some videos on YouTube, and then I laid down on the couch for a while and closed my eyes until about 7, and got up and made some breakfast. Made some scrambled eggs and bacon and some toast. Had that for breakfast, and then just been chilling, playing games on Facebook and watching more videos on YouTube and all that great stuff. And hopefully can get this van going, because I got to take Penny to an appointment at 1 o'clock today. And I was going to go and pick up my son, but I couldn't do that because the van won't start. So I had to text him back to let him know he had to walk home. So I had to call somebody to let him know about it. And her husband's going to be coming over to check out the van, so got to wait for him to come over. And then after that, I'll probably go off and head off for a walk if I got time. If I don't, well, I'll probably do it later and all that great stuff. And then probably get to go to our local library, if we can go to our local library. If we could get the van going. If it's the battery, hopefully it's the battery. Praying and hoping it's the battery. But if it ain't, then it's probably the starter. Hope it's not the starter, but if it is, well, gotta take it to the shop and have them put a starter on. Don't know if they could do it today or not, but just Gotta wait for somebody to come over, and if it's the battery, well, be happy. If it ain't, well, gotta have a tow truck come and take it and take it to the shop, and don't know when they'll be able to get it done. But yeah, it's gonna be a wonderful Thursday if I can't get my band going today. But if not, well, I'll be just chilling at home and relaxing and finding something to do around here. Probably be on the computer and watch some TV. Got some baseball on this afternoon. My Tigers play this afternoon at 1 o'clock against Seattle. Playing a 4-game series against Seattle. Took 1-3 so far over Seattle, and game's 4 today, so hopefully we can get a win today and take the series. And but yeah, good. Probably watch some baseball and just chill and relax, and then probably take my shot early. Yeah, try to take my shot early, and then try to figure out what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. Don't know what yet, but I'm sure we will figure out, and when we do, well, hey, we'll have it and enjoy it. And have it to go along, watching our fine local news that comes on at 5 o'clock, and see what's been happening around this fine local area. Yeah, I guess on Monday evening, there was a bad wreck. Some high school kid didn't make a complete stop at a stop sign and hit a pickup truck, and I guess the senior, he is from a local school here, is brain dead, so his parents are gonna donate his organs to and things like that. And then his passenger, he wasn't too bad, he's okay, but the driver, he's not doing good. He's he's brain dead up in a hospital in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and the person that he hit was in a pickup truck. He's okay, but it's just so sad. You know, you got to pay attention what you're doing when you're driving, people. So if you're new and watching me and learning how to drive, hey, let me tell you, pay attention, all right? Come to a complete stop at stop signs. Don't let things bother you. But yeah, that's sad, but good to be hearing about that and other things. And then it's the evening news, and then after the evening news, then it would be time to turn it to the CMT channel to watch whatever's on there today, and hopefully something good will be on tonight that I will enjoy and like watching. And at 9 o'clock I'll be recording Bringing Up Bates. Yeah, that comes on at 9 o'clock. I'm going to be recording that and enjoying that, and just enjoying some good old TV tonight. And that will be my Thursday. Yeah, that will be my Thursday. If I can enjoy my Thursday. And I'm sure I will. Well, everyone, I hope y'all enjoyed this video here. And if you did, thumbs it up, please. Go thumbs up. And if you're new and came along this video, hit that red subscribe button, please. Hit it. That way you can check out my other videos I have up. I got plenty of them, so feel free, check them out and share some with your family and friends. I would really appreciate it if you could do that for me. Yeah, so if you're new, do that for me. Well, again, everyone, y'all take it easy out there. Have a good one. And if any of you out there are getting close to going into Friday or almost stepping into that Friday, here's a Friday thumbs up for you. And if you're stewing the Thursday and having an awesome rockin' Thursday, here's a Thursday thumbs up for you. Again, y'all take it easy. Have a good one out there. And I will be speaking to you real soon.